Greetings, traders and enthusiasts. Nina here from Ajayastra Money Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on the dynamic world of commodities. Today, on the 19th of April 2024, we are delving into the fascinating realm of non-ferrous metals, where recent geopolitical events have sent shockwaves through the markets. Let's dive in. On Friday, non-ferrous metals experienced significant gains, largely fueled by supply concerns arising from sanctions on Russian metals. The London aluminium contract, in particular, extended its impressive winning streak for a sixth consecutive week. Copper, often viewed as a barometer for the global economy, saw a remarkable surge. 3-month copper on the London Metal Exchange, LME, climbed to $9,796 per metric ton, reaching a 2-year high. Meanwhile, across the seas in Shanghai, the most traded June copper contract soared to 79,470 yuan, hitting an all-time record. But the rally didn't stop there. Let's break down the notable price movements on the LME. Aluminium, nickel, zinc, lead, and tin all showed significant increases. These movements are a direct reaction to the recent ban on Russian metal produced after April 13, aligning with sanctions imposed by the US and UK in response to Russia's actions in Ukraine. The ban on Russian metal has sent ripples of uncertainty throughout the market. With Russia being a major global supplier, concerns about potential supply disruptions have reached fever pitch. LME aluminium, for instance, surged an impressive 6.3% this week alone, poised for its sixth consecutive weekly gain. Copper and nickel also followed suit, up 3.1% and 5.7% respectively. This heightened geopolitical tension has translated into increased price volatility across the board. The cancellation of LME warrants for copper, aluminium, and lead further underscores market apprehensions about the ramifications of these sanctions. And let's not forget the Shanghai Futures Exchange, SHFE, where prices also reflected these tumultuous trends. While some metals saw gains, others experienced slight declines. This intricate dance of fluctuations highlights the intricate interplay between geopolitical events and commodity markets. That wraps up today's comprehensive update, folks. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the ever-evolving world of commodities. This is Nina from Ajayastra Money Guru, signing off. Until next time.